Panay News' April 7, 1981 maiden issue had 10 pages and contained 9 advertisements. Page 4 of this issue was dedicated to news stories from Aklan province. Another interesting fact, pages 8, 9, and 10 contained articles written in Hiligaynon. For entertainment, this issue announced the top acting awards of the Oscars in 1981, with photos of the winners. Robert De Niro, Best Actor for Raging Bull; Sissy Spacek, Best Actress for Coal Miner's Daughter; Timothy Hutton, Best Supporting Actor for Ordinary People; and Mary Steenburgen, Best Supporting Actress for Melvin and Howard. The 4 provincial governors in Panay Island welcomed the advent of this new local newspaper with messages. Enrique Zaldivar of Antique, Roberto Garcia of Aklan, Conrado Norada of Iloilo, and Cornelio Villareal Jr. of Capiz.